Hello friends, in this video let us get to know about a quality tool called scatter diagram. So this scatter diagram is used to confirm relationship between two variables. Basically this diagram is used to find if there is any statistical relationship between given pair of data sets. This statistical relationship derived is itself termed as correlationship between the variables considered for the study. Then while drawing the graph, independent variable is taken on x-axis and dependent variable is taken on y-axis, and a line called a trend line, which is generally a linear line, is used for determination of relationship between the two variables. The another important point about the trend lines is that if trend line goes down, then negative correlationship between variables exist. That is, one variable goes up and another variable will come down. Then if trend line goes up, one variable will goes up proportionally with another variable also going up. The another two possibilities are that there would be no correlationship between itself, and there would be cyclic correlationship between the given variables. So let us see some examples. Here in this graph, this is the trend line wherein the different data sets are indicated using the dots. So in this case, if the graph appears or sums up to be in this structure, then it can be termed as perfect correlation between perfect positive correlationship between the variables. And in this case, the trend line is inclined in the opposite direction, that is in negative direction. So here in this case, the graph indicates a perfect negative correlationship. Again in this case, the data points are bit scattered and are not on the trend line. So in this case we can say that high degree of positive correlationship between variables exists, and here in this case there would be negative correlation, that is very high degree of negative correlationship between the data sets. And again in the final graph, what would be the correlationship that might exist between these two variables? The correlation is obviously zero correlationship, because the data points are very much scattered and are not in according to, or not in accordance with the trend line. So this is how the graphical representation of scatter diagram is done, and scattered scattered variables are compared relatively using the dot points and trade lines, and the quality determination can be done after this study. Thank you.